Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. In this video lecture, we will inshallah ta'ala be doing some practice questions on conversion of binomial to normal distribution, and we will inshallah ta'ala wind up our syllabus with this video lecture if Allah wills. So let's begin and let's start the questions. The first question is, I will also be needing the normal distribution table, so I will just download it also, and here it is. So let's begin. Kamal has 30 hens. The probability that any hen lays an egg on any day is 0.7. Hens do not lay more than one egg per day, and the days on which hen lays an egg are independent. So x is a binomial distribution 30, 0.7. Calculate the probability that on any day Kamal's hens lay exactly 24 hen. So 30 C 24, P 0.7 है, Q 0.3 हो जाएगा, NCR Q n minus R, P R. So 30 C 24 into 0.3 की पावर 6 into 0.7 की पावर 24, which is 0.0829. Next, use a suitable approximation to calculate the probability that Kamal's hens lay fewer than 20 eggs. Probability of X is less than 20. Suitable approximation, let's check. N is 30. Is it greater than or equal to 30? Yes, पहली condition meet हो रही है. NP 30 into 0.7 21. Is it greater than 5? Yes. NQ 30 into 0.3 9. Is it greater than 5? Yes. X is a binomial distribution 30, 0.7. Can be converted into normal distribution NP, NPQ. So it is now normal distribution 30 into 0.7, that is 21. 30 into 0.7 into 0.3, that is 6.3. You need to find the probability that X is less than 20. अप्लाई कंटिन्यूटी करेक्शन, ये हमेशा लिख दिया करें ताकि गलती ना हो. लेस देन 20 का मतलब है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x इज लेस देन 20 माइनस 0.5. रूल्स लास्ट वीडियो में सिखाए थे मैंने. 19.5, लेस देन 19.5, लेस देन 19.5. सो z is less than 19.5 minus mu, that is 21, upon standard deviation, that is under root of 6.3. Z is less than 19.5 minus 21 divided by under root of 6.3, which is minus 0.598. less minus 0.598 का मतलब है phi of minus 0.598, which is 1 minus phi of 0.598. So 1 minus phi of 0.598, 0.59 and 8, 0.7224 and 27. 722 and 27 is 0.7251. 1 minus 0.7251, and the final answer is 0.2749. I hope this is clear. I hope सबको समझ में आ गया है. Let's do another question. मैं जो क्वेश्चंस करूंगा उनके नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की कन्वर्जन वाले पार्ट्स करूंगा, पूरे सवाल अनटिल नीड हो नहीं करूंगा, क्योंकि इसके बाकी पार्ट्स यूजुअली आप देख चुके हैं. सो अ शॉप सेल्स ओल्ड वीडियो टेप्स of which 1 on 5 average are to be known to be damaged. So P is 1 upon 5, which is 0.2. So Q is 0.8. और हम डायरेक्टली आ जाते हैं इस वाले पार्ट पे, क्योंकि ये वाला पार्ट कन्वर्जन ऑफ नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का है, ये वाले पार्ट बायनॉमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के हम ऑलरेडी बहुत डिटेल में देख चुके हैं जब हमने बायनॉमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पढ़ा था. A random sample of 1600 tapes is taken. X is a binomial distribution. 1600, 0.2. Use a suitable approximation to find the probability that there are at least का मतलब है greater or equals to 290. Probability of X is greater or equals to 290. So N is 1600, which is greater than 30. NP is 1600 into 0.2, which is 320, which is once again greater than 5. NQ is 1600 into 0.8, which is 1280, which is greater than 5. So X is a binomial distribution. 1600, 0.2 is approximately converted to normal distribution. 1600 into 0.2, 1600 into 0.2 into 0.8. So X is a binomial distribution. X is a now approximately normal distribution. 1600 into 0.2 is 320 and is 256. So ये हो गया. You need to find the probability that X is at least का मतलब है greater or equal to 290. So Z is greater or equals to 290 minus 320 upon under root of 256. I hope so follow कर रहे हैं. 290 minus 320 is minus 30 divided by under root of 256 is minus 1.875. ग्रेटर और माइनस का मतलब है 5 of 1.875. So 5 of 1.875, 5 of 1.87 and 5, 0.9693 and 4 is 0.9697. 0.9697. I hope this is clear. I hope सबको समझ में आ गया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वंस अगेन मैं वही पार्ट करूंगा जो बायनॉमियल से नॉर्मल का होगा या किसी और चीज़ की नीड होगी. ये है ही एक पार्ट का क्वेश्चन. इट इज नोन दैट ऑन एवरेज 2 people in 5 in a country are overweight. A random sample of 400 people are taken. N is 400, which is greater than 30. NP is 400 into 2 upon 5. 160, which is greater than 5. NQ is 400 into 3 upon 5, which is 240, which is also greater than 5. So X is a binomial distribution. 400, 2 upon 5 is approximately converted to normal distribution. 160, NPQ, that is NP, NP, NPQ. So 400 into 2 upon 5 is 160. and 96. So find the probability that fewer than 165. Probability of x is less than 165 in a sample are overweight. Less than 165 का मतलब है अप्लाई सीसी. ज़रूरी होता है हर कंटिन्यूटी करेक्शन हर सवाल में लगाना. Less than 165 means x is less than 164.5. So z is less than 164.5 minus 160 upon under root of 96. So 164.5 minus 160 under root of 96 is 9 point z is less than 164.5 minus 160 divided by under root of 96 is 0.459. So phi of 0.459. Let's bring the z table here. Phi of 0.4, 5 and 9. That is 0.6736 and 32. 0.6768. 0.6768. This is done. पिछले क्वेश्चंस में मैंने कंटिन्यूटी करेक्शन पहले वाले में तो लगाया था, ये रहा. सेकंड क्वेश्चन में शायद मैं लगाना भूल गया था. अप्लाई सीसी. बहुत ज़रूरी है कंटिन्यूटी करेक्शन लगाना. ग्रेटर और इक्वल्स टू 290 का मतलब है z इज ग्रेटर और इक्वल्स टू 289.5. So this will be 289.5. 289.5 minus 320 divided by under root of 256, which is 1 point. Z is greater or equal to minus 1.906. So greater और minus का मतलब है phi of 1.906. 1.906. 1.90 and 6. 0.9713 and 4. 0.9714. प्लीज़ कंटिन्यूटी करेक्शन का ख्याल रखिएगा. अक्सर जल्दी में स्टूडेंट्स भी भूल जाते हैं, जैसे मैं भी भूल गया, तो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर ये गलती ना हो. लेट्स डू अनदर क्वेश्चन. A survey of adults in a certain town found that 76% people wore a watch in their left wrist, 15% wore a watch on the right wrist and 9% did not wear a watch. मैं डायरेक्टली सेकेंड पार्ट पे आ रहा हूँ जो कन्वर्जन ऑफ बायनॉर्मल टू नॉर्मल का है. अ रैंडम सैंपल of 200 people are taken using a suitable approximation. Find the probability that more than 155 wore a watch on their left wrist. 76% of the people wore the watch on their left wrist. So Q will be 1 minus 0.76. That is 0.24. So Z. अच्छा, पहला काम, x is a binomial distribution, 200, 0.76. n is 200, which is greater than 30. np is 200 into 0.76, which is 152, which is greater than 5. nq is 200 into 0.24 is 48, which is greater than 5. X is a binomial distribution. N comma p is converted into normal distribution mu comma variance. So X is a binomial distribution. 200 comma 0.76 is 200 into 0.76, 200 into 0.76 into 0.24. So it turns out to be 200 into 0.76, 152, 200 into 0.76 into 0.24, 36.48. So Z पे पहले कंटे अप्लाई CC, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ X क्या बोला है, मोर देन 155. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ X इज ग्रेटर देन 155. ग्रेटर देन 155 का मतलब है ग्रेटर देन 155.5. So Z is greater or equal to 155.5 minus 152 upon under root of 36.48. 155.5 minus 152 divided by under root of 36.48 is 0.579. ग्रेटर का मतलब है 1 minus 5 of 0.579. 5 of 0.579, 0.579, which is 0.71, 0.7157 and 31, 0.7188, 0.7188, 0.579, 0.7188, 1 minus 0.7188, 0.2812. I hope this is clear. I hope सबको समझ में आ गया. स्टेप 1 ये कंडीशंस चेक कर लें, स्टेप 2 कन्वर्ट कर लें, स्टेप 3 कंटिन्यूटी करेक्शन लगा लें एंड आइडेंटिफाई कर लें आंसर. नेक्स्ट चलें जी, इस सवाल में कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं, मैं ये सवाल पूरा कर लेता हूँ. On any occasion when a particular gymnast performs a certain routine, the probability that she will perform it correctly, P is 0.65, Q is 0.35. Find the probability that she will perform the routine. X is a binomial distribution. 7 comma 0.65, exactly 5, 7C5, 0.35, 0.65, 7C5, 0.35 square, 0.65 power 5, 0.2985. I hope this is clear. 7C5, 0.35 square, NCR, QN minus R, PR. On one day, she performs the routine 50 times. X is a binomial distribution, 50 times 50 comma 0.65. So it means that it is a possibility to convert it into normal distribution. N is 50, which is greater than 30. 30 and above पे conversion हो सकती है, 30 and above. NP is 50 into 0.65. 50 into 0.65 is 32.5. NQ is 50 into 0.35, which is 17.5, और ये दोनों greater than 5 है. And you need to find the probability that X fewer than 29, less than 29. Apply CC. x is less than 28.5. X is a binomial distribution which can be converted into normal distribution np comma npq. np is 50 into 0.65. npq is 50 into 0.65 into 0.35. x is a normal distribution. 50 into 0.65 is 32.5. 15 to 0.65 into 0.35 is 11.375. So probability of x is less than 28.5 will now be z is less than 28.5 minus 32.5 upon under root of 11.375. 28.5 minus 32.5 under root of 11.375. minus 32.5 divided by under root of 11.375, which is minus 1.186. z is less than का मतलब है 1 minus 5 of 1.186. 1 minus 5 of 1.186. 1.186. 1.18 and 6. 8, 8, 1, 0 and 12. 8, 8, 1, 0 and 12. 1 minus 0.8822. 0.1178. 0.1178 is done. I hope this is clear. Then on another day, third part यहीं पे कर लेता हूँ. She performs the routine n times. Find the smallest value of n for which the expected होता है np is at least का मतलब है greater or equals to 8. np is 0.65 is greater or equals to 8. n is greater or equals to 8 divided by 0.65. n is greater or equals to 8 divided by 0.65, which is 12.3. 12.3 से बड़ा whole number is 13. I hope this is clear. Greater or equal to 12.3, the first number is 13. The last question that I will do is this. On a production line making toys, the probability of any toy being faulty, P is 0.08, Q is 0.92, a random sample of N is 200. So X is a binomial distribution 200, 0.08. N is 200, which is greater than 30. NP is 200 into 0.08 is 16, which is greater than 5. NQ is 200 into 0.92, which is 184, which is greater than 5. So X is a binomial distribution 200, 0.08 can be converted into normal distribution 200 into 0.08, 200 into 0.08 into 0.92. So X is a normal distribution. 200 into 0.08 is 16. 200 into 0.08 into 0.92, which is 14.72. And you need to find the probability of X. There are at least 15 faulty toys. At least का मतलब है greater or equal to 15. So Z is greater or equal to 15 का मतलब है continuity correction जब लगाएंगे तो ये बन जाएगा 14.5. अपॉन अंडर रूट ऑफ 14.72, 14.5 minus 16 divided by under root of 14.72 minus 0.391, ग्रेटर भी है और नेगेटिव भी है, मतलब 5 of 0.391. So read the z table. Let's insert the z table here. Zero point 391, 0.391, 0.6517, 0.6517 and 4, 0.6521 is the answer. सारे सवालों में एक ही काम किया मैंने. पहले चेक किया कि कंडीशन मीट हो रही है, उसके बाद NP और NPQ लगाया, उसके बाद कंटिन्यूटी करेक्शन अप्लाई करी और सवालों को उसके हिसाब से मोल्ड किया. उसके बाद फॉर्मूला लगाया x माइनस म्यू अपॉन स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन वाला, क्योंकि वेरिएंस आता है इसलिए अंडर रूट करना पड़ता है, और फिर फाई निकाल के जो रेलेवेंट चीज़ें वो कर ली.